And if this is your first time stopping by, I want to say a very warm welcome to you. Today we are making crepes. Yes, crepes. I'm trying to perfect my French. Crepes. Yes, that's what we're making. I know some people refer to it as crepe or whatever you choose to call it. I mean the flat pancake, you know, the French kind, the one from France. Paris. You parle un peu de français. Oui? Moi, yeah, maybe by the time I'm done eating this, I will perfect my French and I'll be speaking French like, you know, a lady from France. Anyway, it's gonna be simple, quick, easy to whip up, and I hope you try this. So thank you all for the love, the support, and for helping this channel grow. I hope you continue to help me grow it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you have subscribed, can you please hit that bell? And with the bell, when you click it, it will notify you anytime I post a new video. Okay, so let's cook. So here's the ingredients you will need, and I'll also list them in the description box for you. I have 4 large eggs, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups milk, 1/4 cup butter, which I will melt, 1/3 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon grated nutmeg, and a small lemon. So I'll start off by cracking all 4 of my eggs into my batter bowl. And I'll give it a little whisk. Add in my sugar and my flour. And I am supposed to melt my butter, which I forgot, so it's not too late. And I'm using 1/4 cup of butter, which is half of a stick. So I'm going to just melt this quickly in the microwave. And whilst I'm melting that, I'm adding my nutmeg, my salt, and my milk, which I'll be adding in gradually. So you want to mix it gradually so you avoid having lumps in your batter. And my butter is melted, so I add it in now. And now I'm going to try to mix this until all the lumps are smoothened out to get a very, very smooth mixture. And I have to say, you could do all this in your blender and it's going to be faster and easier. Continue to stir until it is well mixed and very light. And now I will zest my lemon into this beautiful batter I have made. And I love lemon, and this is totally optional. You don't need to add it if you don't like lemon. You could add just a little bit of vanilla extract, but I choose to add lemon because I love the flavor it brings to this. And I'm also going to add in the juice. So I cut up my lemon and I'm going to squeeze the juice of both halves into the batter, and that's it. Summery, lemony, beautiful flavor. If you love lemons, then try it and let me know what you think. And look at that, we have company. That is little Mr. Andrew right there, trying to get some attention. Normally I can just carry him on my back to make it easier, but I let him loose, and so he wants to say hi to you guys. So this is a 10-inch pan which I've already heated, and with my silicone basting brush I apply just a little amount of butter to it, and I pour in some of this beautiful mix and try to twirl it to spread everything onto the bottom of the pan, just like that. You want your crepe to be paper thin if you can help it. And just look at the beautiful zest of the lemon. The flavor it's going to bring to this. And when your pancake or your crepe is looking like this, you know, it is lifting on the sides, a little bit brown on the edges, then you know it's time to flip it. And just look at that. Look at how beautiful it looks. That lacy texture you have on the back. Yes, that is the perfect crepe you want, you know, perfection. We nailed it. And look, I just give it a little twirl to make sure it is evenly cooked. And just like that, our first one is done. I transfer it onto a plate, and look at the other side even. Is that not perfect? And so we continue. Spread some butter, pour on some butter, twirl, let cook until it's almost dried out. You see that? See how it's changing? And the edges, you know, lift up a little bit. Flip over. There you go. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And we're going to continue doing this until we have fried all of our batter. And then our beautiful plate of goodness will be ready. We will have the pancake house right here in my house. And I hope this convinces you. You know, you don't really need to get up in the morning unless you really, 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 really want to give yourself a treat. But you could just make this in the comfort of your home and just serve your friends and family. You could have this for brunch like we're doing. Just beautiful. And when special days like Mother's Day come, guys, here's a good recipe that you could make and serve that special queen in your life. You know, help your kids make that, you know, it's more for the kids, but you could help them with this recipe. And breakfast in bed is going to be so beautiful and very much appreciated. Right, ladies? We will appreciate that. And just like that, we are almost done. We have a beautiful stack of crepes ready to be enjoyed. Just look at that. Just stack them there. Beautiful, right? I hope this makes you want to try it. I really hope this makes you try this recipe. And I'm now going to fry the very last of it. And I will show you how you could also fold it. So it's cooked now. So I bring the edges together like that. And then this way, just flip it over and then you have a little something like a cone. And it is beautiful to serve this way as well. And now look, brunch is ready. And I have my fillings and toppings and all the goodness that I could think of bringing onto this table here. And you could serve yours with whatever you want. This is freestyle pancake. So I have some Greek yogurt in there. I rolled it, drizzled some generous amount of maple syrup. And now I'm going to just add on some berries. And this is what I call fine dining in the comfort of my home at a price that you simply cannot beat. Yes, I'm very cheap. That is one thing you should know about me. I'll do it myself and save my little money, you know. And I know you said bon appetit, so I say merci, ma chère, mon cher. And this is good. I hope you try it. And look at that. I have another plate stacked up. So guys, when you were serving it to us, you know, for Mother's Day, hint, hint, You could make it this beautiful and sprinkle some powdered sugar on it. And oh, I think this looks so festive. Crêpes in winter wonderland is what I choose to call this. Beautiful. So until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.